Okay, Carnation class, we need to finish our Rise work, but we're just going to do one page at a time, okay? So we're going to do one page today and one page tomorrow. So you can watch the videos that way. So right now, we are going to go to page 28. Here is page 28, and there's a lot to do here, right? Let's see what it says. It says, choose an animal from amazing animals. Fill in the chart. And remember, a chart is when we use, well, boxes in different shapes to help us to think of what we want to say. So it says in our chart we need to, talk about where the animal lives. And it says find a detail from pictures, a detail from words, and a detail from me. Okay, and then we need to find out the conclusion. So first, let's talk about our detail from pictures. Well, did you choose an animal yet? I'm going to choose the camel. So what can we tell from the picture? Let's see. Well, just from the picture, we know that it's hot. Aha. It's a hot, hot place. And there's lots of sand because it's a desert. It's a desert. Aha. So I can see this just from the pictures. Now, what can we find from the words? Well, we have these words and we have these words. So what can I find? Well, let's read it together. Some camels have one hump. Some camels have two. All camels have 2 rows of eyelashes. How do humps and thick eyelashes help? Well, does that tell us anything about where they live? No, it doesn't. Well, it says, a camel's hump has fat inside. On long trips, a camel's body uses the fat for food. Does that tell us a little bit? Maybe a little bit. A camel's eyelashes keep out the desert sand. Well, that definitely tells us about the sand, right? So let's write this down. A camel's eyelashes keep out the desert sand. So we'll just put eyelashes. Eyelashes keep keep out sand. Aha, keeps out sand. And I need another detail, something else I know about camels. A detail is something that we know that will help us understand. So, what do I know about camels? Actually, I know a little bit. Let's see. Well, we didn't see it in this picture. Well, we can a little bit. But do you see the camel's feet? His feet are made in a special way so that they can stay on top of the sand. And do you see his hump? Well, some people think that's where his water is, but the truth is there's a bag inside his tummy, or above his tummy, where he can store water. So I will put, what can I put? I will say, all special feet help it. What does it help it do? What do the special feet do? They help it walk on sand. So, from all of these things, what did we learn about the camel? We learned that, what did we learn? We learned that the eyelashes keep out sand and that its special feet help it walk on the sand. And it needs it because it lives in the hot, sandy desert. So we know that who are we talking about? We're talking about the camel. We know that the camel. And what are we talking about with the camel? We're talking about its feet and its eyelashes. So those are parts of its body. So they're body parts. So we know that the camel body parts, whose body parts are they? They're the camel's body parts. So we need to put, they belong to the camel. So we put apostrophe and S. The camel's body parts oops, I don't need a period there. The camel's body parts, what do the camel's body parts do? They help. The camel's body parts help it, and it is the camel. It do what? Well, it needs to see and it needs to move, so it will live. Live. Where? In the desert. In the desert. And now I need a period. Period. All right, great job. So we are going to do the next page tomorrow. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.